So let's assume I'm making a acrylic display
Yeah.
with shelving. So the connecting I have to do separately manually, right? The glue, or this does everything.